What's up, YouTube? Let me just close the door. Yes, that it is Mario Amiibo, which usually keep up here. I just got a package. Just opened the tearing of it, and priority mail 2-day shipping. Which it was a 3-day shipping, not 2-day. Because there was a big storm here where I live in New York. They said it was supposed to be big. They canceled a bunch of stuff, school and stuff. So, just the package that I got. I have no idea, because this could either be my PS1 system that I ordered, that I won, that I bought, not won, but bought, off of Amazon. Or it could be my Genesis that I got from Amazon. I guess we'll see right now. Okay. First thing in here are... Oh, yep. AV anti, yep. AV cables. For my Genesis. Damn, these are the old school shit. Okay, they're in bubble wrap. What is it here? Okay. We've got this thing. What is this? A game? What the? What the fuck? What game is this? Oh, fun and games, I guess. The cartridge is not half bad. It has no writings on it. Came wrapped in, and then with the rubber band. Alright, so I get a game with it, and what else is in here? The final thing that's in here is the system. It comes with tape on it. How am I supposed to get it? Yeah. That 2-day shipping don't budge. Alright. There, I got it. To rip it open. Damn. Sorry, YouTube, but they packaged this hella good. Like, that's one layer of wrapping paper. He put OD tape. Wait, is there anything else? Oh, it comes with what I ordered. Let me just cover the info. Just to tap the seller's name is right there. Chad Wolf, and that's what I got. Sega Genesis system. Throw that on the floor. Let me just say that he packaged it very, very well packaged. The Holy Grail. Sega Genesis. So it is actually not as fucked up as I thought it would be. I didn't know. And let's check the inside. Oh, if you guys can tell, it's not as dirty. I could like probably wipe it down and get it clean. So